In this video, I am going to show you how we can create playlist in YouTube and add the content to that playlist in the easiest way. So let's see how we can do it. So at first you need to log in your YouTube account. From then you need to select here content tab. Okay, now you need to select the content for which you want to create playlist. Let's say I would like to create a playlist for this content. Then I need to select this details pin icon. Okay, then I need to scroll it down, and here you will find this playlist option. Just need to select here this drop down, and here I will get all of my playlist that I have already created. But now I want to create a new playlist, so I need to select here new playlist drop down icon, and here two option new podcast new playlist. I need to select new playlist. Okay, now here I need to get the title of the playlist name. Okay, so if I want I can write the description, but if I don't want I don't need to write here. Okay, then let everything as it is. Just simply select here create. Okay, now the playlist is created and the content is added here. Now simply select here done. Okay, we have created playlist. Now if we want to add any content to playlist, okay, well, I need to save it here. Okay, so now if we want to add another new content to that playlist, and how we can do it, then again click here the content that I want to add to the playlist. Then I just need to simply scroll it down, and here I'll get this playlist. Select here, and here I will be able to see the playlist I have created. Then I can just need to check box here and click here done and save. Okay, now in this way we can do the thing that we want to do.